Get it right, get it fast, and get it hassle-free. At Anchor Harvey, we accomplish that task for our customers every day. Anchor Harvey provides high-quality aluminum, brass, and copper complex forgings for a wide variety of customers. We provide superior value through world-class customer service, on-time delivery, short lead times, advanced engineering, value-added services, and of course, superior products, all in a continuous improvement environment. We supply products for use in recreation industries, military and ordnance, emergency breathing and rescue products, architectural hardware, medical devices, aerospace, welding equipment, automotive industries, and more. Our customers rely on us to help them get it right.